Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching this video on...
It's Friday.
Saturday, what? It's good to see you, man.
Good to see you too, man. Oh, man, you know what, Mr. M, when you told me about the beef between Elon Musk and Trump, I was thinking, how old are they?
Yeah, probably not old enough.
Are we living in the Matrix here?
The glitch, that was the glitch.
It's glitching.
I know, right?
Like, really? You're going to throw insults to one another on Twitter?
I know. I mean, wouldn't it be easier to just at least pick up the phone and say, hey, It made me think, do you think they're distracting us from the real issue?
Yes. They're distracting us from buying Bitcoin and realizing we're about to go into an event that's apocalyptic. And we're going to explain more about that in today's episode. Man, Jesus.
Yeah.
Wow. Well, you know what? Hit the like, hit the subscribe button. Head over to Mr. M's podcast, right? Where you need to subscribe here because he has now Lynn Alden, saying there's a huge tsunami coming, right? Telling you that Bitcoin's going to win. Finally, someone with the balls to tell you like it is. Finally. What?
It's actually one of our discussion we had. That is what it is.
What?
It's actually a good chat. It's a good interview. It's the second time on the show. The last time she was on the show, Bitcoin was at $62,000.
Yeah, I mean, you know what? Her analysis is spot on. I mean, really need to listen to what she has to say. It's great stuff, right? There's no doubt about it.
Yeah, and I have another podcast I'm going to upload tonight, which is going to be epic with one of the founder of the BTC Prague. Really enjoy talking to Mitchell. Anyway, so yeah, good stuff. And next week is going to be bananas. I told you I have like 15 interviews, so I don't know how I'm going to juggle it, but definitely check it out.
Yeah, definitely. All right, well, crypto market in 2025. First, we had all season pushing Bitcoin, and now Bitcoin is pushing out season.
Damn, that's exactly what's happening, right? That's exactly what's happening.
She couldn't handle the Viagra. Oh, damn.
She should be on a wheelchair. How bad do you think it's going to get? Like, do you think the dominance is going to continue to skyrocket before...
He said
it could go higher. Damn, Da Vinci on fire today. he opened it long, I think. Sorry, guys. We had to go there.
Exactly. Okay, we're just going crazy.
We're back. We're back. Yeah, exactly.
We'll compose ourselves.
It would have been funny if she would have been in the wheelchair.
Yeah, exactly.
Instead of
yeah.
But it is what it is.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, damn.
Now, yeah, like you mentioned in the beginning, there has been a lot of beef. So Elon has been tweeting nonstop last night. I was actually up checking what the heck was going on because I thought they were joking in the beginning. But then they literally exchanged some mean things.
Yeah, exactly. First it started with this, and then this one right here.
Yeah, so
it was like Elon Musk is not to be trusted. He wants to go to Mars. Go back to what kind of 5-year-old?
I know. It's just like
I'm not even gonna hit like on these things.
I know. It's
I'm
just
just stooped to this level.
Yeah, but look at the impression, like millions of impressions, millions of people checking what these two have to say one another.
Where's the impressions here?
You can see there 149 million views, right? It's just crazy. And it was going back and forth, and then people start to say who was right, Elon or Donald Trump, and he said we should open a new party.
But it wouldn't surprise me if that was the case. Not shocked at all.
Yeah, I know. It's just like
if that happens to come out Do I look surprised? Well, this is my face of surprise. And it would not happen.
Yeah, I know. And of course, we've seen a bunch of meme coins coming in, Elon versus Donald, and all that kind of. Some have pumped crazy, but yeah, like I don't know, like this. Come on, man, this is Elon Musk or mediocre Musk is constantly at whatever high, and he should go back to Africa.
Well, they're trying to cover up this, really, right? With your meat is the circus and breads and circus, right? Every time, something doesn't make any sense when it comes out of governments and people at the top, just remember they're distracting you from something else, right? That's all it is, right? I don't know what it is. It might be just this, the fact that they're going through hyperinflation, the fact that, it's not sustainable, and there's nothing they can do about it, right? And I mean, here, listen to what he's saying here. Kudlow, when he responds to it, it's like the worst interviewer I've ever heard.
Exactly.
Oh, my God. Like,
I know.
are you? Why don't you get on your knees, right? Instead, right? Jesus Christ.
I know, right? That you might want to put the volume up.
Oh, yeah. Hang on a second. I need to turn it on here.
Nice, and maybe on Twitter as well. Usually,
there you go. Boom.
Perfect. And you want maybe on the
About this enormous federal
perfect.
budget deficit, and it's a $2 trillion deficit. It keeps growing. Our interest payments are higher than our Defense Department budget. That's I think was the real wake-up call for me, was looking at seeing that the interest payments on national debt exceeded the Defense Department budget. And that was only growing over time, which meant if we didn't do something about this, then there won't be any money for anything. We'll just be servicing debt.
And you know how to read an income statement, and you know how to read a balance sheet. You've had some business experience.
Let's comment this now.
Yeah, and you know how to read a book, right?
You know you know how to read numbers, yeah?
1 + 1 = 2, don't you?
He's confused. Like, what do I say now?
I know.
Yeah, I know how to read. I guess.
Right?
Oh boy, this is the level of people on TV.
Damn.
Oh Jesus, that was funny.
But yeah, you know about this stuff.
I guess.
Yeah, I mean, really, I just don't want America to go bankrupt.
So it's a call to action. You're hearing a
What? It's a call to action. What's this guy smoking? You know how to read a book, yeah? You know how to read numbers, so you are super intelligent. Wow. Wow.
Alrighty then. This is the
Jesus.
going on to the trading with Bitcoin. Oh my God! That was like that hurt my brain. I swear to God, I don't even want to think anymore.
I know. You know what to think, right?
It's just like
You know what the I need to send you that. There's like a meme video going around, and there is a lady who goes, "Well, you know how to think. I don't think. I know." And she replied, "I need to send it to you.
Yeah.
Super funny." So
Jesus.
yeah, it is. It is what it is. But hey, point proven, right? Mm-hmm. How do you feel about this? Because you called $99,000 yesterday, and we've gone very close. In fact, I think we flirted with 100K.
Yeah, we did. So that is legitimate. I mean, there's no ifs, ands, or buts. It's just like kind of like you can see there was also a W pattern, M pattern right here at the top here, which targeted this level down right here where we're at, right? And so, yeah, you're right. This would indicate if we test the 99K, we need to come right back up here, or else it could be lights out, right? Keep this in mind that this head and shoulders pattern is 60% pattern, so you can end up with 40%, especially with today's market bullish situation with Bitcoin. But it's not out of the realm of possibility that we retest the 96. There's a lot of liquidity down here, and if we get into here's the thing: if you look left, right. Problem is if we head into this candle body bar here, the odds are we're going to come and refill all the way bottom to bottom. So it is what it is, right?
Would you short now, or is it too late?
I mean, I already told you guys to short yesterday, right?
Yep.
I mean, if we bring up that
Ooh, look at that.
this is the short right here. This is the short you should have been in. This is the short you should be holding. Move it to stops to break even, and that's that. I told you guys to also short this as well, and I shorted it on WEEX here, and you can see the burn profits here, short on the short.
Yeah, Solana left
So-
the top 5, right? Is
Make
now-
sure you hit the subscribe and head over to weex.davincij15.com or bybit.davincij15.com. Links are in the description below. But yeah, as you were saying?
that ever since you mentioned to short Solana, Solana has been kicked off the top 5 now. BNB passed it, so there's been a retracement there for sure. Yeah, very interesting. Okay, so this could be a scenario. We're going to talk about it later. We are in massive fear, right? The market has gone into fear, which is actually positive because we are over 100K and people are, afraid. It's insane. So I guess a good spot to be. And even in the event of us retesting a lower low, like they are in the 96 or something, it's not the end of the bull market, guys.
No.
So don't panic, right?
Exactly. So it's okay. It's just interesting. I mean, there's a possibility, a distinct possibility that this thing plays out, right? Especially if we break that wick down right here, this wick right here, that'd be
the sign. Okay, so maybe there could be a bit of turbulence.
Yep.
You can see the European, they have decided to print a little bit. So, and again, if you follow the global M2 money supply, I mean, they have in play, I think it's 170-ish, kind of if you override the day offset at 90 days. So again, we might see a correction, but throughout the next few months, we should see a pump, right?
Exactly. Whether it comes this week or next month, it's coming. That's it. So be ready. Buckle up.
Exactly. Right, James got liquidated again. Like he was tweeting nonstop about, people are targeting
You know
me.
that I told you that it was gonna happen, right?
Yeah, I know. You said because you said we're going down to 99, and this guy opened a long. And you said there are 3 signs, different signs, right? But here's the thing, like at least I don't know. I mean, I don't know this guy, but at least own it. Like, don't blame on other people.
Yeah.
You open a long, dude. The cabal, the Bitcoin cabal came for me, and then
Cabal came for him.
What is dude? You open a long with high leverage.
Exactly, and yeah, exactly.
What-
That's the key thing. You know what? If you opened that long with 25 with 2x leverage, you would have been high.
Exactly.
Been high.
Plus, okay, so hear me out. So, okay, first of all, I agree 100%. But let's assume that there is indeed someone who wants to play him. Well, then don't freaking tell everyone what you're doing, right?
Yeah, that would be a start.
If you really think there is someone out there coming for you, do it quietly.
But
You know,
it's obviously this guy doesn't know what he's doing. It's not that. Maybe he does know what he's doing. It's just that there's a situation where traders get into. I get into it. Every trader gets into it, where you are focused. You're right on the overall trend, right? But you're too focused on the what's it called? The overall trend to look at the micro trends, the smaller levels, right? Or maybe you've had a lot of successive wins with your trading plan, and now your trading plan is not working, but you're not looking at the fact that, hey, it doesn't work all the time. Any kind of trading plan does not work 100% of the time unless you're a fucking bank. That's cheating. Right? You've heard about the banks, right? That have gone record trades without a loss, right?
Yeah.
There was always in the news, right? They stopped putting that in the news now because they realized that people are going, because you guys are cheating.
Exactly. So they're not telling you, but it's still happening, right? Mm-hmm. We talked about it, by the way, on Mr. M podcast. We did a course on how to trade. You give some interesting suggestions there, and you mentioned this. So if you guys want to know how to trade, you can follow Mr. M podcast and check out Da Vinci's secrets.
Yes, exactly.
You're gonna make more of those, right?
Definitely. Anytime you want.
Nice. All right, BlackRock has bought 35 almost million worth of Ethereum. Some people are saying that they are about to rotate into Ethereum. I don't think it's going to happen. I mean, it will happen eventually, but probably not now. I think Bitcoin has to go a little bit higher.
I don't know. Are they actually buying it with the ETF or are they buying it themselves?
That's a good question, I guess. Not sure, but I think at some point, investors and probably BlackRock itself, they're probably going to rotate.
Well,
some of the
Ethereum's not
profits.
going anywhere. So, I mean, so if they're buying for long term, it's going to do well.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. And people are asking us about Ethereum yesterday, and I don't know, it's pretty difficult to pinpoint where it's going to go next, right? I don't know.
Yeah, exactly. But long term, Ethereum's not going to go anywhere. But at the long term, Bitcoin will crash it, smash it into the ground, beat it to like it's an Epstein child.
Damn. Damn. All right, guys, you need to like the stream before it's getting taken out from YouTube. Damn. Yeah, we've seen the meme in the beginning, right?
Oh damn!
We've seen the meme in the beginning.
So
Whatever.
he's probably went to the Epstein Island, right? He knows.
He knows.
He knows.
Yeah, he knows.
Oh damn! I went there. Okay.
Yeah, it's okay. Ouch. Okay, look, fear, massive fear. I mean, not massive, but compared to where we were last month, we went from almost 70 to basically 40. So kind of a chop in half. Now, I mean, I'm not sure what to expect next, but Bitcoin is chilling at 100,000 and the market is in fear. I like it.
Yeah, I know. It's crazy.
Yeah.
Can you imagine if we were like extreme fear at 100K? That'd be like, we're at the bottom.
That would be extremely hilarious. Indeed.
No, we could get there. If we get down to 96, we get to like extreme fear.
Oh, yeah. If we go under 100K, I think
Yeah.
this is going to go nuts.
Wow.
So I wonder what will happen next. But if you scroll down, you can see that we've gone all over the place. You can see the indicator down in the page, and we have been extended in either way multiple times, right? So if you go max, if you punch on max on top, you can see that even if we go in...
What is it? The max is not working?
Is it working? Oh, I should give you the... Maybe there's a glitch on the chart, but yeah, it basically gives you all these.
Sometimes,
there you go.
their website goes
Man,
down.
we should make our own. This is always broken. So annoying. But anyway, if you go on historical data, you can see that we've been extended either way for a long time. And look at this, BlackRock bought 50,000 Bitcoin people through BlackRock, 50,000 Bitcoin in May.
Just a little bit.
50,000 in May.
Just a little bit.
Damn.
Man, we need to laugh, dog. I'm sorry. I need to laugh. It's just who I am. I love these jokes, man. It's funny.
Yeah, what's wrong with laughing?
Exactly.
It's therapy, man. It's therapy.
Makes you feel good. So if you're distracted, just move on to somewhere else. It's fine. Right? Go Mr. Serious with there's lots of people who are just serious people who are straightforward. Yes, listen to me.
Oh, that's not us.
I am going to tell you how this is. Yes, it is like this. Buy Bitcoin.
That's not us. Actually, to be honest, we do it because we have so much fun. So it comes through.
Exactly. I mean, come on, man. We're just having fun here, man. Whilst we're doing this, man. Let us be. Let us have fun.
Yeah, what's all this about otherwise? Morning, Daniel. Good to see you, bro. Yeah, okay. So here you can see that people have indeed been accumulating. So yeah, some people are calling the $2,000, the $10,000, the whatever. There's a CME gap at 9,000. Yeah, right. Good luck with that. Yeah, sure. There's a CME gap at 9.
CME gap. You keep your buy orders there.
All right, buddy.
Yeah.
You'll be all right.
You'll be all right. Oh, damn.
So I'm indeed expecting more buying to say it for sure. And if you go on the next tab, you can see there has been a lot of selling pressure yesterday. Look, basically every single one has sold besides BlackRock.
People are puking out their holdings.
I know.
That's because, it's paper hands, man.
I know.
ETF allows for paper hands to exist.
Amateurs. Right? So
People who don't know what the asset is, they just trade it. They don't hate it, they don't date it, they just trade it. Right?
yeah.
They're not getting married to Bitcoin. We're married.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we're joined at the hips. Me and Bitcoin.
We go back a long time. Right?
Exactly. We got little kids like Satoshis.
Plenty. Plenty of kids flying around.
Exactly.
Yeah, it makes sense. I mean, I guess.
Yeah.
You can be a Bitcoiner in so many different ways, so it's up to you. But I wouldn't wait for the $9,000 CME gap because that would be, that would be suicide, I guess. But
Yeah.
hey.
I watched the Mark Moss's TikTok. What's it called? Video. I think I want to shout out to Mark Moss. He's excellent. If you're Mr. Serious, you want to go watch Mark Moss. He tells you what it is, right? He doesn't tell you sell Bitcoin. He just tells you, okay, this is when you're going to be buying Bitcoin, but only buying in small amounts. This is when you're going to be buying Bitcoin, but in larger amounts.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
Proper.
Yeah. It's a really cool guy. He's going to be on the show. He agreed to do a podcast. I might fly to Florida for that. Let's see. But he's a really cool guy. I've met him in multiple times in Abu Dhabi and also in Vegas.
Well, if you're going to fly to Florida, let me know. Maybe I'll come with you because I got some stuff to do in Florida. Right?
Nice.
It's so expensive there, man.
I know, but at least you can fly direct.
Yeah, that's true.
You go to Miami. I think it's 20 hours or something, 18.
No, it's not that long.
No?
It's like
15?
15,
Okay.
14 hours.
Okay, it's not that bad. Okay, like less than New York then.
Yeah, it's less than New York for some reason. I don't know why.
Yeah, it's flight routes, whatever. June has been so far a bit kind of on
It's all right. It's early. It's early juggling.
the edge,
It's
the
early
edge.
juggling. The average is negative.
Yeah.
The median's negative too.
Exactly what I was about to ask. What do you foresee coming in? Because, I mean, we're seeing 2 good months. I mean, 10 and 14. I mean, usually we've gone a little bit higher than that, but
We're gonna beat this. I'm praying that we're gonna beat this. We're gonna
Possibly.
do new record.
and we've done a green January, a red February and March, green April and May. I mean, I don't know. Even if we print a red June, I don't know what July and August are going to bring because usually summer is not interesting, right?
True.
But then
we'll see.
coming up in September and October, then we should see maybe another leg up. I don't know.
October is the day, and the moon
November, yeah, exactly. So those are, if we respect those things, because, I would have imagined a different February. February is one of the best months, and yet we printed a red February. So
Yeah, it's horrible. So sad.
difficult to see what's going to happen there. But even on the red one, it's just down 2%. For example, March was 2%, which is not too bad. So even if, February was bad, but look what happens after, 10, 14, 10.
All the website links are in the description, by the way, if you guys want to know. Like this guy's asking.
Yep. Yeah, you can find it. You can find it in the description. There is a section called news and links, and everything is in there.
There you go. Okay.
Can you check quickly on it? Sorry, if you scroll up, we should see also Ethereum. Let's see what it is doing. Ethereum there. Okay, Q2 is 34%. Oh, hello. Okay. It did better than Bitcoin. Bitcoin is 24.
Well, it went 50% down, so
Yeah.
it has to go 100% in order to come back.
Yeah. Dude. We don't look at Q1. We should look at Q2. Damn. And it's, I don't think Q2, is it Q2 over? No, it's not over yet, right? So there's plenty of time to go down. Damn, 34%. I mean, I think he pumped. How high did he go? From 3.5? And then down again. So
It was in the toilet, man. It was 1,300.
Yeah, we were looking at the Bitcoin versus Ethereum, and if it would have bounced back, it would have been bad, right?
Yeah.
So, makes sense. Exactly. And then we have to wait for the money printer to go brr.
Yeah, well, it's starting to warm up, man. It's warming up. They're warming up the printers.
Exactly. They turn it on. They haven't printed yet, but the engine is going on.
Meanwhile, we're gonna come up with our own printing system using. Okay, well, wait a second. Hold on.
Sorry, I've seen that one. I need to do the disclaimer, right?
Yes, we're gonna come up with our own money printing. We're going to buy some meme coins and take it to the moon. We're gonna secure our bloodline with the meme coin because meme coins, right? When they go up and very, very fast, like overnight.
Yeah.
You can be a billionaire. That's what we're looking
Sure.
for.
Shit.
Bruh.
So far, it's going great. So far, it's going great.
Yes.
But remember, right? There is a disclaimer here.
Yeah, exactly.
If you wish to follow this,
Yeah, exactly. And if we secure our bloodline, right, that's our fault. But if we don't secure our bloodline, that's our fault too. And if you decide to try to secure your bloodline with these meme coins and fail to do so, that's your fault insurance.
your fault insurance. Exactly. So as we say all the time, just don't do any of this. Just buy Bitcoin. That's the play.
Bitcoin.
You can just watch us doing this.
And then go.
Yeah. And
All right.
they call the else to the grave, right? Right, evolve.
Oh, well, you know what? At least it's not zero. Right?
Exactly, yeah.
I mean, it's still kicking. Still kicking.
Where did we go in?
We gone in like around this time around here, right? This candlestick. So we're
Okay.
a lot higher.
So did we
Did
double?
we double?
I think so. Did we sold everything? Did we have a selling everything thing or?
I don't know. Did we? Well, I think so.
Imagine if we double, that would be fun. Completed. What's that one?
I don't know. It says unknown. Must have been evolve. Okay, I guess we didn't sell. I wonder what happened.
Maybe
We should have gotten a double on that one.
It looked a decent move, yeah.
Let's take a look at the
Maybe
price.
maybe
in-
we got in close.
Let's got in the price in Sol.
Oh yeah, because Solos has gone down. Yeah, but that doesn't.
So it was this candlestick right here that we bought. So let's just say we got it half here. Yeah, we missed it just by a hair.
Damn, it was really close.
Yeah, it was really close.
Okay.
Yeah, looks like. How much did we sell? What was the selling order? Yeah, 53. 53, and the height was.
No, 51. Damn. Oh well. We win all the time. This is it. There's people against us. It's a cabal.
It's a cabal.
It's the evolved cabal. Damn. Okay. Well, hey, he could go higher. From here. How bad is the portfolio, by the way? Ooh. Okay.
We should have taken profits on this, man.
On orc.
This was at 1400.
Ooh. It just chopped in half. Oh well. I mean, at least evolved did not rug. Could be worse, right?
Well, the
chicken.
hens have not come home to roost yet, right? So at least we're still alive on the chicken, right?
Okay. We're still in game.
Exactly. The chicken's still clucking. Still clucking.
For now.
For now, yes.
Nice.
Let's see
Okay.
here. Did we get a double on this one? No, we didn't, right?
Oh, but that week over there, maybe.
Yeah, exactly. Where's the hand? Oh no, still.
No.
We're still waiting for the
Well,
hand.
what the price for that? I think we're gonna close this one too, right?
Let's see here. We are selling at 29. This is at. Wait a second, right here. So when did we buy?
Oh, this is evolve.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Okay.
We must have caught the bottom on this one.
No, I mean we were right here, right
Okay.
on this one right here. So
So now 50.
no.
So
Oh, almost. It should have been 50.
Almost, yeah.
Look at that. So I think we just missed this one as well.
Oh man. And I think if
Yeah, it's right here, 29 right here. We just missed it.
and by the way, if Bitcoin would have pumped, I think we would have doubled the vault.
We were, If Solana had pumped, we would
Exactly.
have gotten.
But whatever, with the Elon Musk and Donald Trump shenanigans. I wanted to, can you check, please, the Tom Cruise? Because he's gone 4,000%.
Hang on, let's take a look at
Pebble Peep.
Pebble Peep. See, $25, man. Look at that. People are buying it like crazy.
Yeah.
The volume is just off the charts. All right, let's add to this.
Let's
Pebble
go.
Peep.
Let's go for it.
Let's just add to the volume.
Look how many we're getting. Damn. I wonder what happened to the guys that created this.
I don't know. They probably rugged it and ran.
Yeah, probably.
Look at the liquidity. More than the market cap. You can sell everything.
Damn.
Still won't go to zero.
That's crazy. 32,000 versus 28.
Oh damn! Wow.
Damn. Oh, check out Tom Cruise. Pumped 5,000%.
Really?
Yeah. I don't know the ticker, but there's the joke with this surname, right? I don't know which one is gonna be.
It's gotta be this one.
I'm not sure. I hate when there's a bunch of those. See, there is the cruise with his face on top of it.
What the hell?
I know. This thing has gone banana, and also Kevin Fart is the other one instead of Kevin
Well,
Hart.
look, it's coming back down to levels that you can probably try to buy. Oops, I screwed that one up. Screwed the pooch.
I don't know. What do you think about this? Shall we gamble on this one or?
700K market cap. Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
it looks like he's holding.
I mean, maybe this is not the right one, right?
Maybe it's not even the right one. Yeah, maybe we can check on. Can you check on Twitter and see if they have a whatever? I think there's gonna be.
Yeah, it's not the right one, maybe.
Maybe it's not the right one. We need to figure out which one is the right one. But
Is it on Solana?
Solana, yeah. If you know, guys, let us know in the chat the contract address. We can check it. But
Yeah, it's just like
there's too many.
This is too many.
Yeah. It's too
Oh,
many.
it's 700. This one has 1 million market cap.
Don't know which one is. We need to do some research and make sure we're getting the good one. But yeah, this has gone crazy. And then now Kevin Fart is the other one. And I think we might see a celebrity surname funny thing happening. Kevin Fart. There is like let's see which one.
Yeah, this one's rug central.
Yeah. Man, I hate this about there should be like a tick or something. I don't know why they're not doing it.
I don't know. 100%.
Damn. And it's gone.
Damn.
Is it Farcoin now 20%? Is it the one? This is the one that we have.
Securing the bloodline, one fart at a time. Wow.
Damn.
Wow.
We
Didn't we?
we had like we loaded.
We
Farcoin down.
loaded it up. We went full fart. We
Oh,
didn't
yeah,
get partial
it's
fart.
down there. Yeah, it's down there. Go down a little bit more. Yeah, there you go. There is. $1. Dang.
All right, let's sell some of these farts. Take profit on our fart.
How much do we have in Solana? Okay, 0.7.
50%. So yeah, let's take it.
Okay.
Because we didn't do that with that. And we know what. Because like it topped out here. Like, wow, it was like, it's down like 50%. Like, 25%. Jesus.
I think we also bought down there, right?
Yeah, we did.
So either way, we're still up.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I mean, it's going to be difficult for a meme to do well now that Solana dumped and Bitcoin kind of corrected a little bit. But it could be a good moment to load the truck on some blue chips, right?
Yeah, exactly. That's okay.
Oh yeah, the Kill Bill and the Trump and Elon Musk thing and yeah, those are.
I'm not sure the trench is looking so good.
Yeah, no, I think if we want to gamble on something, we should go into, I don't know, maybe like some of the quote-unquote solid ones.
Really?
They might do well, but...
Okay, can we sort by market cap?
What's that one? Volume, age, price. There, market cap, the last one, I think.
Yeah, I did that. Already sorted.
Ah, perfect.
What's this?
Kita.
Oh,
wow. Hello.
what the?
Oh, there's no locked liquid. Oh, nothing is locked.
Yeah, but it's been around, so it means it's something. Someone big.
Oh wow, they even have a yellow.
Yeah,
tick.
so it's a big project.
What the hell is it supposed to be doing with? Yeah, but the fact that it's not the liquidity is not locked is kind of worrisome, no?
No, not really,
No?
because it's the project is not going to take them liquidity out, right? And they're probably using they're probably on exchanges at this point, right? So it would look really, really bad. They can get themselves booted from the exchanges.
Yeah. 50 million, 432 million volume.
It's on base anyway, so
Ah, okay. Sorry, Base. We only get filled with Solana. What's nobody? What's that nobody there? This one. Yeah, that's the one. $2 million. What? 27 million?
Bruh. How about no?
I mean,
no.
it looks bad. I'm not going to deny that. The chat looked bad. Yeah, there you go. You can see those now flying. I don't think they're going to do well. Plus, the trend is gone already, right? We should have
We should
gone
have
in.
bought this yesterday.
Exactly.
Could we have bought this yesterday? No, it's June 6th.
Yeah, it would have been super
Fifth.
late at night for us, right?
No, the right here we could have bought, but then we're still like, look at that. Nah, man, nah.
Yeah, this doesn't look interesting. Okay, what else do we have? Launchcoin. Pengu. What happened with Pengu? Titcoin.
Ooh, Bitcoin's down.
Yeah.
Right, let's see. Is
Wow.
it at the lows here? I mean, we could
Man, this could
look
be
at
a,
that. Wow, it went all the way up. Look at this thing.
This could be a play.
Look at this thing. Jesus.
Wow. Yeah.
And now we're back down to the bottom, so we can actually get some of this now.
Yeah. Let's go. We already doubled on this one a couple of times,
Yeah,
right?
we did. We already made like a lot of tits.
Hey, there's no such thing as too many tits, so I like it. Yeah, we can go in. You can put a selling order on this. Or we're just gonna let
yeah,
it,
we'll
let it run. Yeah.
let it
It's not
run.
gonna rag on us. So, okay, cool.
All right. Let's see here. Let's close that. Close that. And let's go with.
You want another one?
Oops.
What happened to the Pango? That one. We didn't we buy some of it at some point? I'm pretty sure we did buy some.
Yeah, we did. Pango might be up a little bit.
With definitely bought the bottom there,
We did.
but we didn't double yet, right?
I don't know.
Yeah, but it looks like
It
we
looks
might.
like we did.
Yeah.
I mean, like, Pengu was heavy. Let's hold it.
I remember we gone in like a couple of times with.
Yeah, we did go in a couple of times
Yeah.
at the lows here.
I go 170. Okay.
Alrighty, let's. You want to hold it and see if we can get higher?
Yeah. Maybe even adding another one, 0.15 or 0.10.
Yeah,
no?
but I would like to add the lows here.
Yeah,
right
not there.
Like at least to this low here.
Which we're not that far.
I
Yeah.
know exactly. It's not that
Okay,
far.
well, maybe we can wait a little bit, and if he retraces back, we load the track again. Okay, good.
Okay, now this is getting serious, man.
I know. But going into nasty stuff in the trenches now, it's
It wasn't feeling good.
yeah. I mean, we can pick one or two, but we're gonna get smacked. I mean, there is the Elon versus Trump narrative, which I think we're late into that, right?
A little bit.
What else? I mean, we can go and see what was created in the last 5 minutes. If you want to go DJ.
Beer 2. What's Beer 2 doing? Ooh.
I wonder what happened to beer 1. But, jeez.
Is this the right one though? Might not be the right one because I don't remember it looking like this. The chart's looking like this.
Yeah. Also, this is what daily.
Yeah,
so
the charts
probably-
didn't look like
yeah.
this before. So this is not the right one. This is not the right one.
Yeah. This is probably
Yeah, copy.
copycats. Yeah. Damn. Okay. Kitty. What's Kitty?
But I don't know where we
This
should
one.
have.
Can you scroll down? Sorry for a sec. Kitty, this one. Oh, there, it's gone up now. This one will remember. Yeah, there you go. What was that one about?
Hello Kitty.
Yeah, right. This is definitely.
Hello Kitty.
I mean, 2.7 million market cap.
2 million in volume.
Okay.
Hello Kitty.
Yeah. Hello, Kitty. Is this on the daily? No, 1
Let's
hour.
get it. Let's get it.
This is gonna. It's gonna do well.
Secure the bloodline.
It's gonna do so well.
Look, there's no warnings.
Yeah. There you go.
yeah,
Okay, well, it's a good sign. I was worried. Yeah, Thiago goes emotional damage. Yes.
Emotional damage.
He's gonna be us on Monday looking at Hello Kitty. Hey, you never know; it could go higher. Look at that V recovery,
Exactly.
creating an inverse head and shoulder. That's it. I feel it.
All right, that's it for today. Let's go on to the Q&A.
Okay, sorry, I didn't save any questions, but I've seen a bunch flying around. So let me know if this is something you like. Okay, AC is asking, I know we are in a bull market, yes, but what are your thoughts on any prediction on the coming bear market for Bitcoin? Oh, that's a good one. How low we are going to go with Bitcoin in the bear market?
Wow, we haven't even hit the top, and you want to talk about bear market strategies? All right, well, here's the thing. Excuse me, sorry. I honestly, I don't know where the low is going to be, right? We got to wait for the highs. But, with all the big money coming in, I don't see a 50%, greater than 50% correction.
Okay, fair enough. So let's say if we go to 200,000, then 100,000 could be.
Yeah,
the bottom.
still higher than 100,000. Like maybe 120 or something like that.
105, yeah, fair enough. I mean, everything is diminishing on the way up and on the way down, right? So I agree with you. In your opinion, what are the chances that Bitcoin drops below 100K during this correction? We kind of touched on that one. There is a head and shoulder reverse, points at 96. So it's possible we go under 100K, right?
Yeah, we can go under 100K, maybe stop at 92 is the low, right? Because there's a gap there, but I don't know if the gap hasn't been filled yet, so we could check that 92, then head all out higher. So always keep that in mind, okay?
Exactly. Justin was asking also, this is the page for the monthly return. You can punch into, you can first of all check in the description, but if you want to punch it on Google, you can go Bitcoin monthly return and it's going to come up. So you'll find it there. Let's see. Going deep with Peppa Pig, yes. For sure. People are saying, are you still playing Medieval Empires?
Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Let's see if I can get it up and running here. Me.
Master, I got my ticket for Vegas. Hopefully you use my discount for a 10% discount, and I'll see you in Vegas next year. I'll probably be there.
There's another. They're already selling tickets?
Yeah, they started literally the day that the conference finished.
Wow.
Yeah. So hopefully you use the discount. I think the discount is Maurizio. It's on my channel anyway. You get 10% off to all the tickets.
What the hell? Okay,
Let me know when you want to share your screen.
I'm still trying to figure out why it's not launching here. Okay.
Da Vinci, you went into Pepe very heavy some time ago. What do you think about it now?
What I think about it now?
Pepe.
You know, it's still alive, still kicking. Just, you know how it is.
Yeah.
Meme coins, right? Nothing goes up in a straight line, and there's always bull cycles and bear cycles, and we're just in the bear cycle. And once Bitcoin people stop being fearful of crypto and Bitcoin, then Pepe will get its cycle return.
Yeah. Constantinos, in your opinion, will Ethereum ever overcome Bitcoin? No. Not even in 30 years, I don't think.
All right. So
What do you think?
yeah, no,
No.
never.
How about no? What is the...
How about no?
How about no? I don't even know if it's going to be around in 30 years, man.
Yeah, exactly.
But Bitcoin will.
Okay, so here's my medieval empires game that I'm still playing, guys. You can just go to me.davincij15.com, mee.davincij15.com, sign up, and look, we've got let me see here. I'm in third place, right?
Damn, look at the size of this. It's not even a town anymore. It's like it's like a region, right?
Yeah, well, this is as big as this is gonna grow. So,
Oof.
anyways, yeah, still playing.
Nice.
And I think I have lots of room on my lands here. Right, let's see, the level 5 lands are all taken up. Let's see here. Is there any room on this level 5 land? Nope. Let's see here. Should I kick somebody off for you guys? No, I won't do that. I won't be mean. Let's see. There's this land, level 1 land, right? You can get paid big time, thousands of dollars. I'm giving away in me coins, right? So if we get it up to the next level, 20,000 to 20. Sorry, 20 level 20. This land here,
Damn.
right? Same with this land, right? Some prizes. Actually, it's this one right here. So if you want to join this land, right, you can get paid, right?
Nice.
Yeah, and I will
Have
be
they-
doing some giveaways on other lands as well later on.
Have they released the mobile game? Because I know they've been working on it. Do you know if they...
No, I
No,
haven't
not yet.
seen it.
Because I know they've been... I've seen a demo. I think it was a couple of months ago. So,
Yeah, I saw the demo too, but I've never really seen it. They never really gave it to me. Anyways, there it is.
Nice.
Oh, look, these guys have not been working. I
uh-oh,
shouldn't kick them
we're going to
out.
get the boot.
Exactly. When did I last renew these guys? Let's see here. That was the 14th. Oh man, that's well. I'll give them another week or so.
And then they get the boot.
Exactly.
You have to pull the weights, guys. There's a lot of people that want to join Da Vinci's
Exactly.
land. So if you want to be in the land, you have to pull your weights.
Exactly. Because look, we're the top clan, right? We're number 3 in the clans,
Yeah.
actually. We want to remain there.
Yeah. So you need people to pull their weights. Man, the number 1 is nuts. Look at the numbers.
Hang on, this thing's a little bit of a bug there. Oh damn, the bug's still there. Oh well. Anyways, yeah, the scores are nice. I have the biggest army, look right there.
Hello. Nice. When the PvP opens, you're going to
I'm just gonna dominate.
dominate your map, yeah.
Top. Oh, this is a mess, man. The graphics are just shut off here. Anyways,
Nice.
still in beta, but
That's pretty cool.
it's growing.
Nice, nice. Cool. So people are asking about PayPay.
Yeah, we already talked about it.
Talk about it. I've been slacking on me. Yeah, I've been slacking too. I got kicked out from the land. I wasn't playing enough. But I understand there is only a limited amount of spots, right? So at the end of the day, that's why.
All right, guys. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. We'll see you guys. Have a nice weekend. We'll see you guys next week, Monday. Right?
Indeed.
Peace.
Cheers.